Hey everyone and welcome! In this lesson we're going to take a look at one of those Romanian verbs that nobody seems to like, which is the verb to like. Very bad joke! The reason why so many people have such a hard time understanding how a plăcea works is because this verb is quite a tricky one, and I'm about to show you why. Let's analyze following examples. Îmi place cartea. I like the book. Îmi plac cărțile. I like the books. The first thing we notice is that bizarre pronominal form, îmi. Shouldn't it be eu place? Also, why does the verb have two different forms for the same person? That's quite odd, isn't it? Here's the thing, when translating îmi place cartea as I like the book, you inevitably associate the Romanian pronoun îmi with the English subject pronoun I, which tricks you into thinking that the pronoun îmi is also the subject of the Romanian sentence. What if I told you that the subject of the Romanian sentence is not the pronoun îmi? Îmi is a dative pronoun, and despite the fact that it acts like a logical subject, it is actually an indirect object. The actual subject is cartea, or in the second example, cărțile. That is the reason why the verb has two different forms, because it has to agree in person and number with the subject. In other words, the thing one likes is the subject and determines the form of the verb, and not the person who likes the thing. Îmi place cartea. Îți place cartea. Here you can see that the person has changed, but the verb remained the same because the subject is the same in both sentences. Here's some more examples. Îmi plac fotografiile vechi. Îți plac animalele. Nu îmi place aglomerația din orașe. Nu îți place vremea urâtă. When the subject changes, the verb changes too. Even though the verb a plăcea is usually encountered in its third person form, it conjugates like a normal verb and it has all other personal forms as well. Plac, placi, place, plăcem, plăceți, plac. It's important to know that the most common way of using the verb a plăcea is with a dative object, as we could see in our examples. Eu îți plac. Tu îmi placi. But a plăcea can also be used with an accusative object, mainly referring to people and not to things. Eu te plac. Tu mă placi. When it's used with a dative object, a plăcea can also be followed by a verb in the subjunctive mood. Îmi place să citesc. Îți place să asculți muzică. Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope this lesson has clarified some language mysteries. So if you found it useful, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more lessons. I'll see you next time. Be happy!